Apple's September 2025 event is just days away, and the tech world is buzzing. While all eyes are on the iPhone 17 lineup, Apple Watch Series 11, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and possibly AirPods Pro 3, there's one product quietly building momentum: the next-generation Apple TV. Television Apple TV is getting a major upgrade. Here's why it matters. The current Apple TV 4K still runs on the A15 Bionic chip, the same processor that powered the iPhone 13 back in 2021. In 2025, that's ancient silicon. While the A15 remains capable, it's falling short of today's demands for 4K HDR streaming, AI-driven recommendations, and casual gaming. Apple knows this. That's why insiders believe the upcoming Apple TV will feature a massive chipset upgrade. Dear A17 Pro or A18 chip? The next-gen power boost. Leaks suggest Apple will ditch the A15 and move to either the A17 Pro or a modified A18 chip, both of which promise serious performance gains. The A17 Pro, already used in the 2024 iPad mini, features 6-core CPU, 2 Performance Plus 4 efficiency cores, 4-core GPU, enhanced AI and graphics capabilities. While it won't match the iPhone 15 Pro's 5-core GPU, it's a huge leap forward for Apple TV. Video game Apple TV as a gaming console? It's happening. Apple isn't just upgrading the chip, it's reimagining Apple TV as a casual gaming hub. With Apple Arcade expanding and AAA titles like Resident Evil Village and Assassin's Creed Mirage already on iOS, the next step is bringing console-quality experiences to your living room. Expect smoother gameplay, upscaled 1080p or 1440p visuals, and seamless transitions between devices. Start a game on your iPhone 17 Pro, continue on Apple TV, and finish on your MacBook, all synced via iCloud. Desktop computer, display and audio, a home theater dream. Rumors point to HDMI 2.1 support, higher refresh rates, and variable refresh rate (VRR), perfect for gamers and cinephiles. Add Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and enhanced Dolby Atmos, and you've got one of the most complete entertainment packages on the market. Robot Face AI integration, Apple Intelligence comes to your living room. One of the most exciting possibilities? Apple Intelligence, Apple's new AI assistant, could be integrated into Apple TV. Imagine personalized content recommendations, auto-adjusted sound and display settings, real-time trivia and background info while watching, cross-platform syncing of preferences. This level of personalization could set Apple TV apart from every other streaming device. VS Button market competition, Apple's premium play. While Roku, Fire TV, and Chromecast dominate the budget segment, Apple isn't competing on price, it's competing on experience. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, the new Apple TV becomes a natural extension of your digital life. With powerful hardware, gaming capabilities, and AI features, Apple is positioning Apple TV as the premium alternative. Calendar release date and pricing predictions. If Apple announces the new Apple TV at its September event, expect pre-orders Friday, September 12, 2025. Shipping around September 19, 2025. Pricing is expected to rise slightly from the current $129 base model. Analysts predict model type estimated price: base model $149 to $169, Ethernet edition up to $179. Apple may hold prices steady, but a small bump seems likely given the premium upgrades. Crystal ball: why you should care. Still using your old Apple TV? It might be time to future-proof. The streaming landscape is evolving fast. Higher resolutions, cloud gaming, AI recommendations, and smart home integration all demand more power. Apple wants Apple TV to be the hub of your living room, controlling HomeKit devices, hosting Fitness Plus workouts, streaming Apple Music in Dolby Atmos, and delivering console-quality gaming.